Hi, my little shardies. Welcome and welcome back. This is Christina with Shhh Online. Today I have another book review for you. This is Music and Girl Coloring Book. It's the Korean edition by Silver Moon Momo Girl. This is the second book of her Beautiful Girl and Flower book. I saw one more by her that I really wanted. I think it was Love Letter, and I wasn't able to get my hands on it. So this one was on sale. It was about $28 and the shipping was free, and I was able to get it off of Amazon. So I went ahead and picked it up. It did come with these really cute postcards too. I haven't opened them yet. So the book is very thick. And it is protected by this dust cover. I'm going to just take this off for now. So here's the dust cover that is on the book. Here's the book without the dust cover. The paper is really, really nice in this book. I cannot wait to get started coloring in it. All right, guys, without further ado, let's get this thing started. Alright everyone, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, make sure you hit like and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you're told each and every time I post a new video. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, color happy, and remember, shh, it's our little secret.